Hello everyone. This video is going to teach you coordinates detail from the previous video. The previous video you have done learning about the AGV one part. You create the AGV part and carry about the one part go along with the track. And the multi-part AGV, you let the AGV and carry the multi-part. Uh, you can define the multi-part by using about the uh, the that the drop down list you create from the information user interface you create on your screen here. You can select on the drop down list how many parts you need to less the AGV you carry go around with the track part, and you can control uh, the direction, the forward and backward of the AGV. Using about the method is right the control center, the control on of the process, and you have done how to create a button, and this the user interface. You can create a button, control the speed, control reset, control start. Using about the event, this one is event controller. Okay, today and this video I can teach you and next topic because the last time you define the tag part, that's the tag price, the AGV go along with the tag part, right? And now I will define the point, the point. The point is right the target, and you need to set up the AGV, find out the way going to the point. And the point is a goal. Uh, Using about the AGV pool and create the target. Right? Okay, let's get started. I will show you how to recreate something right I said. Right now you're going to here. The model is a list, the left side area. You click right button, a new and create. Oh no, it's not good. Okay, it's good. I forgot something. Sorry. The news, the new command and create a model frame, the new. Okay? Because I need to clean up about the workspace. My workspace is clean because start up the new topic, right? It's not continuous from the previous. I didn't use it and duplicate, right? I need to create a new model. It's better. It's a clean up, right? And define the name, rename. This rename, I think it should be AGV, AGV, right? AGV, and AGVpool. Okay, because the AGV pool create the AGV, right? The AGV. Right now, I will define about the new AGV shape, right? And another model. Another I use the model exit in the library in my computer because you install in the pen simulation automatically is a key, and your computer had the model, right? The model, right? The default model inside your computer already, right? I will check that now to create a model is different from the previous video. Okay, let's get start. It's okay. Tick okay. Model, and I use the AGV pool. Where is the AGV pool? Mm, Information. Resort. Write our AGV pool in here. Laptop. Right? Laptop is one. This is AGV pool 38. The AGV, right? Different little bit from the worker pool. Right? So worker pool is create human, create a worker, right? And this time they use the AGV pool is create the AGV car state, right? And the point, they need a target, the marker, we call it a marker. You drop on here. It's a marker number one. It's a AGVpool, right? And it maybe I set up this point to be the start point, and another marker. Marker I define that, right? The M2. Okay, I will rename this marker. Double click on there and click the name Unify M1. The first start point, the first point for the marker, and click OK. And another, this one is M2. M2. Okay. The last point in this case, yeah, okay, double click on the marker and you define M3. Click OK. And okay, right now I need to set up the folder, write a customize folder. Right, I created the class, the new shape of the AGV of the task folder, and not the same right, the default shape right anymore. I will teach you about how to take the outside file. You set up your shape, your model 3D model to be different, right? Okay, you see here the click right button on the the top of the tree, the new folder. You set up the folder, right? Uh, so my transporter, right? My transporter, my transporter. Okay, this is my transporter. And click on transporter on the default MU folder. You click the transporter at the default and click on the control button on your keyboard. You hold it together, right, and control and click on the transporter and drag down, go inside of the my transporter folder. Yeah, okay, and next, you click right button in the new transporter and here the duplicate. That's it. And this, you click right button, it open, right? Open. Sorry. Okay, I clicked wrong. I click open in 3D. Okay, this was default, right? This is the all you use it one. This shape. This is the 3D model, right? The default of AGV car. And right now you need to change, right? You click right button. You're going to exchange traffic. You click on the exchange traffic here. Uh, and your screen right now, maybe something right, my computer. And you find out about technometric pan simulation. 230 right? I click on there. You see about F3D traffic. And you click inside. And going to entry transporter. Transporter. And this one, okay, going to here. Here. So you open the small area screen, right? The preview window. You click on there, left top, right side top. Right? Okay, you see here. You click on there, and it show you uh, what shape that model you selected. You see this one is track, right? Track. The 3D model is track and default cat inside of your computer, and it come come along with when you install pan simulation program. This is the 3D of truck. Okay, I use it one because it's just only one. Maybe it's only one 3D model uh, for it's coming with the program, and this one is better, like the classic truck shape 3D model. Click open. You got that. You got it. Okay. Yes. Right now, I got a 3D here. And, okay. Okay, it's truck. Truck. Edit 3D property. Uh, if you need to scale down, maybe you can scale down 5, right? And 0.5, 3.5. Maybe it's a small. You can increase the number, the factor ratio of just scale. Maybe uh, point 0.6. That's it. Okay, try to use it one, and matching your workspace or not. And you can come back to set it up again. If you dislike about this shape, maybe it's bigger, maybe it's smaller. You can come back to adjust again. In this, it is a command block, right? Command block in the 3D. You click on the 3D property, and you come here. There is a pop-up in your screen. You can set up the scaling zone, right? And the position and rotate everything. Okay, I keep default. Right now, I need to change just only the scale. Click OK. I got it. The truck chef. I need to rename the transporter of truck first. To rename because it's little bit with the chef, right? I should be setting the name is mm, truck. It's very easy. It's truck. Click OK. Another one. The other one, the transporter should be forklift. I will open 3D again for the transporter number one. Before I set the chip, I need to change the name first to uh, be forklift. Okay, to forklift. Okay, OLK lift. That's it. Uh, and then click right button in the background and separate empty spread allow of the check 3D. Click right button and it's the same config, right? It's the same config, and you see you click on the file, right? In the same folder. I already bring you to the folder inside of the default folder of the configuration and the 3D S3D config and task folder. Okay, you're going to select on the file and uh, you see alongside, right? This one is the preview window. Okay, I suggest you use it better. Forklift edit table dot S3D, right? Forklift edit table is better because I think it's beautiful, right? It's right? More detail of the forklift. I think it's better. I think it's forklift animatable dot S3D. Okay, keep now I got it. I got it forklift. I got it forklift. Okay, I'm done. Click close, right, and come back to the screen. The 3D model working spread is a working spread already. I need to use about the street. The street. Okay, I will create the part, right? I write the road, the track road, right on the top, right? You find out about that one. Mm, okay, nearly is it nearly with track, right? It's the track already. Already learned and use it before in the previous video. I use track, right? And right now I use it to rain tag. And okay, I click on there and create it. I think that okay, that far away. File. Okay, yeah. Okay, finish. How far is it? Right range. Far is it? Okay, I accept it. But click OK. It's two lane, right? Two lane track. Okay, right the road and street. Right? Okay, because and you check there are two lane for the truck is go around. It's a lane, left lane, right? Okay, maybe I define the lane A. Let's go around the lane A, right, and come back. Go around the lane B, right? And you must have U-turn, right? U-turn road. Okay, you need to create a U-turn road as well. And right now I will set up this road first. Okay, the range is 17 meter, right? I think I'm going to set up 20 the inch, right? The better is 20 meter. And right hand traffic, right? Okay, I'm going to set up the new option. I use left hand traffic better. And this one, the width, the load, the lane width, the, the lane width you need to set up how with how with the load in setting a setting of the width of this. Okay, how this is properly used. Right? I think it's 4 meter, right? And the range I use a 2 meter. I think enough and clear to look at about the truck go around the lane, right? The one lane A come back to lane B and stop at the end 2 meter and tag pitch 2. Okay, I try use the let's use the left. Okay, apply. Okay, it's a wider from previous. The wider from previous. Okay. I move up here 20 meter and I use the sword, right? Because the sword is applying the truck in the road, right? In the lane A, because use is a left lane traffic, right? It's come in, use the left side and go out, use the right side, right? Right lane traffic. Right? Okay. This one you should set up the connector and backdrop the truck to the sword, right? Because you need to uh, supply the truck here. Okay, and the end of the road. Use drain because the drain right output, right? And the end up of this process of truck. The truck is go around the drain. Okay, I need to create the connector and the end up at the drain object. Ah, let me test. Oh, very quick. Okay, double click on here. Very slow. Uh, very big. Okay, you cannot come here because right before it's rain, it never have. Right now, it never have the U-turn road. Okay, I forgot. I create a U-turn for it. Okay, return back and create the U-turn. I'm going to the range. The simplest way to find you create a U-turn, use the connector, right? Yeah, right. So, yeah, this is good. And try again. I think the better should be beautiful from previous. Right? Okay, try put on here. Right now. I click. I repair again. Okay, very quick and a lot of the trap, right? Okay, double click in here. And this one I use is only one trap. Okay, yes, and okay, and play again. Oh, right. Uh, uh, slower, slower. I think this one. Better. Okay, okay, come back. Uh, yeah, okay. If you think about, okay, it's bigger, and the top is very bigger. Okay, you can change. Double click on that. 3D, right? Appearance, transform, fix, right? Okay, appearance, illumination. No, no, it's only one like this. Okay. Click right. Edit 3D property. Where is where is the scale? Okay, I just hit click right button and open in 3D. You need to go creating here and define the scale. Okay, four, four. Okay, apply. Okay, come back here. Sorry, this one is on. It's on. Uh, uh, okay, here. Uh, Double click in here. Start again. And this is I told you before, this way create a U-turn road. Is a simplest way to create a U-turn using about the computer. If you use 3D of the road, you can do that. I click on the connector and delete it. I delete it and create using about the track. Right? This track, create a track. Click on there, click here, pay control, right? Um, pay control radius. I think okay, create is 1 meter. This 180 degree, 180 degree, right? Uh, okay, click on here and keep it stop here, right? Okay, finish. Okay, with the connector, right? Okay, I delete it again. We got it not, it's not the real, the same part. Right? I didn't use the road is right separated. Use is coded the wrong part. It's the same road, not it anymore. Right? Just be quick and cheap and control. And stop here. Okay, finish. Like this, like this. You got a road, right? It's a U-turn area. Double click. You need to set up this with two, two. Apply. Right? Okay, the full area is matching the previous road. Click OK. Okay. The thickness is not good. Right? The thickness is not balancing. Both sides, right? Okay, it is a very thin, very thin. Right here, double click, pin, and 3D, click 3D. We need to adjust about the 3D shape. We should be setting in the 3D command. We click on the 3D, the left side button. You click on there, and it show up another block command. You set up the thickness of the thickness of the right. Okay, bed. Dateให้you can set up right now is 0.01 and you try to set up the new value I think 01 apply. Oh, okay, it will go up, right? Okay, 0.01 is okay, correct, but the thickness is not matching, no? Okay, here we need to edit file length, right? One time try, right? Okay, good. Matching the 0 1, right? The same thickness. Click OK. Good. Click OK again. You got it the area of the U-turn road. The matching. The color is different. Right? You can adjust the color. Double click on there, and we need to change the graphic related on the 3D, right? If one thing you need to set up related on the 3D, you need to use about the 3D button. And you click the 3D button inside of the general setting parameter of that load. Okay, click here. After that, right? After that, graphic, right? Graphic, you need to use it, right? Okay, the change the gray color. I'm not sure the gray color or this one or this one. Okay, I think use this one. The right gray color. Okay, matching. I think it's rider than the period. It's the two lane road. Right? I think again. The frame. I click here. Set up the gray color again. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Oh, it's darker. Double click again and turn back to the period to think it's better already. It's good. Okay. Okay. It's matching. Trying to simulation. It's a track again. I think it's a bigger, little bit. Click right button and open in 3D. Double click on data. Right, this one I need to change. We come to 0.3. Double click on there. Okay, we come back. Model. Click. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Next step, right? Okay, I will define the stop point. Because it's stop point, I need to use the sensor, right? And the truck, is run by, supplied by the source. The source is supply the truck uh, going to run along of the road, right? And either the truck hit the sensor one position, and the truck should be stopping, right? Should be stopping and let the lift forklift, right? The forklift. I define the forklift and focus on the target point. The forklift is created by the AGV pool. The AGV pool is and the forklift is pop up in your screen and go running to the 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 M2 target, right? And it carry the container going to M1. M1 is the point, M1 the upload point of the container. The forklift will come here M1 and they upload the container to the truck, right? The truck. Okay, that is the first step. How to create a method and go around, write my idea and step by step how to coding to the method, right? I use the syntax going to define code line by line and around the forklift carry and loading the container to the forklift. The forklift will upload to the truck at the M1 point. How to do this, right? How to do this? If you do this, you need to method. Okay, exact the method is one method, and create a sensor. Click right button, and create a sensor. Create a sensor. It's a lane B AA, right? And 15. Okay, I define a 15 meter. 15 meter, and it's always something, right? Okay, it's correct, and touch on the front of the truck, right? Okay, I accept that. And the control, I need to use the center method. Okay, I don't use about the embedded method inside of the sensor. Okay, I skip it over, right? I use the center method instead, right? The center method is control of the process, right? Using about the method. This one I should be naming the new, right? Okay, because the name the relevant with about this process as well. Okay, right now I created the sensor. I click OK. Click OK. Okay, is the sensor add here? Okay, add here. Rename the method. I use it. What the name should be. Uh, mm, center control. Center control. Okay. The control center. No, not in that. The control center is good. Control center method. Now click OK. This is one control center. And I would write to link. the sensor to the method. You zoom in and double click on the sensor and okay, click on three dot behind our tick box. The select object, okay, control center. And if I okay, I create more, I need to rename a little bit more. AGV, okay, because they will have AGV and the method is not enough. Makes sense for what thing is control center is the control for, right? And the control for AGV. Okay, I need to use it AGV. And click OK, and I come back. Double click on the sensor again, and this select object and select on AGV control center. And click OK and apply. Click OK again. Right now it's ready uh, to coding in the method, right? Use the symbol. A little bit, I just little bit coding is simply write the code the first time uh, as assign 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 dot stop. I need to control the truck stop at the sensor number one activated. When the sensor is hit by the truck and it's a method is pop up and running inside of the code. Okay, I use it. Apply to mean the truck is stopped at the sensor position. Uh, okay, it's stop and wait 10 seconds. Wait 10 seconds and uh, stop. We stop. Uh, After 10 seconds, the running again. It come back. Going along of the the road, right, into the road again. Okay, I just coding is really simple and the first time I just test the stop for that's it. I try apply close close this old one the previous video, right? Okay, start at the new this video I record for this model. Okay, and the track course. Okay, let me change the window to be dry vertical. And it show up two window in the same time and apply and running 10 seconds, right? And go next, go next, stop. That's it, it's work. It's work. Let's go on generate it AGV, JGV, right? From the AGV pool, create the AGV. And this one is a transport, transporter. And right now I created it's a new one, right? In under the name Folklift, right? Okay, I need to that over here. Okay, again, something like that. And my transporter is a folder. It's a my folder. It's a new, right? The custom my folder. And this one is Folklift. Click OK. Click OK. Double click on here and add up more. You need to create the forklift and set up the rules, right? Code it The load is the freedom to find out the part going to into, right? And this one you need to set up the target, right? The target right now there are the three target is the M1, M2, M3, right? And okay, I need to set up the route, right? And right now it start up it write the code using about the syntax you never done it before. Maybe you just need the guideline from help. Click on this. If you register it this website before they bring you to here and automatically and sign in for you. It's my name. Right? Okay, you're going to find out about what thing you need to look it up the detail under you typing in the search bar. I need to know about AGV pool. Okay, and search. And the search come here and a lot of things. Right? And SIM talk. I forgot on the SIM software. And this time okay, go to AGV. Right, AGV and set root. Right, set root. And you maybe start you are a beginner, never used it before. Okay, you going to find out and find out which one and click and navigate you to something you need to know, right? And you need to start up and try out which one either bring you to some detail what you need, right? Or not, right? You click and try out, right? And for me, okay, I use my sense about it. Oh, should be enough to get me to something I need to know, right? And set root because I use set root, right? Now it's a set root. I need to know about how to use the command to set a root for AGV. Okay, this is a code, right? Example, this code example. I need to create a variable, AGV variable, or what's the name you need to define the name for your AGV, right? And in this case example, I use a variable AGV object, this, right? AGV object, variable, right? Is the object of AGV, right? Okay, I will set it root, set it root. I copy, copy. Now this line, uh, this line is decreased from the second line. Okay, I just use three line enough for me. Okay, come back to the pen simulation and copy, paste, right, and control V. Come back to copy, click right, copy, and come back, ACU, and paste. That's it. That's it. Waiting 10 minutes, 10 seconds, and create a variable. Okay, Control C and press G the object, right? Okay, I use the name Folklift, right? Yeah, right, not AGV. Right now, I change the shape 3D model to be the forklift already, right? Uh, and then before I call you call that AGV, and right now I change the shape, the 3D model become to forklift already. Okay, I focus on the forklift right now, the forklift, and the AGV pool continuous, right? And continue. It's contain, not continue. Contain. It's contain. AGV contain, and this set up root. Uh, it's a comment. Enter, accept root, Control X, it's cut, paste here. And now we come to forklift, right? Okay, forklift. And this going to, I need to set up the my forklift, gonna go M2, right? I'm probably gonna go M2, right? Okay, I need to delete the M1 out. Okay, I focus on one target. Okay, two. Okay, okay, apply, apply. Okay, okay, it's error. Error unknown AGV, right? Oh, I forgot change the AGV to be the forklift. Okay, forklift. I forgot. Apply again. Touch. Okay, it's going to M2, right? And the forklift I created using about the object is AGVpool dot contain. Uh, contain and they pop up in my screen the forklift, right? And it's gonna go into and stop because you never have the code next to do, right? Okay, you need to fill up the next code because you need to control the forklift come back to M1 and M1 and loading the some maybe I will use a container underneath right the pattern the container paste on the truck, right? And the paste on the truck. Okay. In the next the target next okay you need to modify the code in side of AGV control center. Okay. And fill up the next point. Uh, okay, fill in the next point. I need to copy here. Copy. Set up the M1. M1. Okay, apply. It's the bicep, right? You add up this to come back. And that's it. Okay, come back. And right now never have the part uh, placed on the forklift, right? Never have the part because this time the forklift is use the method, right? It's running an empty part on the forklift, right? Empty part. I need to fill in the part based on the forklift as well, right? And right now not yet. Okay, I'm going to set up and create the part. Assume I use it the container, container here. Dot create create on the forklift, right? Forklift, the forklift. Okay, control space. Okay, and apply. Uh, stop. Okay. Uh, Zoom in, and the container is not yet loading to the truck, right? I need to create booth for uh, the forklift at the F1, right? At the F1. Okay, and click on here and forklift dot contain dot move uh, to assign apply again. I double click on here and run it. You see here, and see, come back. Okay, let me change something. Okay, I need to adjust supply and sort supply the object. That's like the object that is the truck. Right? Supply uh, the truck into this system, this process, right? Write the uniform is supplying. Is uniform supply the truck to the system, right? Add a uniform every uh, 10 minutes, right? Every 10 minutes to 20 minutes, right? And launch and supply the truck is one truck, right? Supply 10 minutes. Range is the 10 to 20. During this time, I supply the one truck to the system. Something like this is uniform. User is okay, minus one, apply. Sorry. Ah, okay, uniform minus one and 20. Okay, apply. Yes. Okay, good. Uh, I was wrong. Some parameter. Maybe I should write the comma. Use the colon, right? Okay. In the previous, I was wrong some letter. Okay, I apply. Okay. Uh, Again. Okay. Yes. I need to apply. Sorry. Then, okay. I double click on the zero. Again. Maybe apply. Apply uniform. The truck. Right? Apply here. Yes. Okay. Apply again. Yes. Oh, I try it a bit, right? I noticed about the tag is not changed the size. Okay, if I double click on there and set up 3D and scale automatically, I turn off and use it 0.5. Okay, apply, okay, and okay, click again. Oh, very small. It's very small. Double click again and apply and use 5. Uh, again. Oh, so big. Okay, come back. 5, right? 2. 2. So big. Okay. Mm, it's more small, small too much. Okay, come back. Double click on here and the 3D, right? And 3. Okay, 3. Apply. Apply again. Okay, that's it. Is it on the top? Okay, good, not good. You play again and you notice about the location. The location of this, okay, it's above it, right? Okay, you adjust about animation, about the 3D model and the position when the forklift, right, based on the truck, right, and on the truck, on the truck, the position it missed, right? You need to adjust the position. How to adjust the position? And this solution you need to uh, repair and update the position for 3D model because you scale down the first time you take the model from the default location, you take it and you come here and it was so big, right? And I set up about scale down to the small side, right? Okay, I recall your memory, right? Okay, you're going to here in open in 3D, right? And double click on here and this time scale down from 1, right? From 1, and this the cost. It's cost the location. And the location and the default the one ratio, right? And the position inside and the behind of the truck, right? Behind of this track and the position is changed and right now the position what is the position, right? I will show you, right? Okay, this time I will change back, right? And change back is so big, right? Okay, go into here. Okay, maybe I not yet keep 0.2, but uh, okay, I will go into 3D, right? In animation again. Click right button, edit 3D property, and MU animation is show, right? Okay, oh, so high. It is so high, and the location, uh, something based on the track, and the location is so high, right? Because it's the scale down. Actually, before the scale down, as it's scaling the scaling one and the default side, and it's bigger than this, right? And these are exactly its correct position if the uniform scale to 1, right? And right now it's changed scale down here. It's caused to the position is so high, right? It's the higher than the default ratio. Right? Default ratio is 1, right? Okay, how to solve that problem? Okay, I double click on here and become to 1 again. Right? I compare for the I compare the parameter. Right? Which you need to change the 3D model and uh, and the position uh, when you take some object based on the 3D. Okay, the position is changed. It doesn't miss, right? And then now I scale back to the default already, and it changed again. I will show you again, right? And you right here, it's correct, right? Because it will become to 1, become to 1 in the position for it. Okay, here. Okay, right now it should I keep okay it's 1. I keep 1 and it's so big, right? Okay, we show you how size it did when I created one. Okay, it still be here. It come here. It's good. We come to 0.2. Hey, we come to 1 already. Okay, I'm back. If the correlation is correct, right? Okay, come back here and I double click on there, and it scale automatically. Skip scale automatically. If you click on here, it's better. You can scale down. It's smaller than that. It's smaller than that. You can, but and the animation position it may be changed. Right? Maybe it's changed, and right now it's correct, right? Okay, cancel. Of course. Okay, okay, done. It's one. Uh, I double click on it. Okay, minus one. Uniform 10 minutes. Let's send 10 minutes. Okay, apply. Just okay, very fast. Okay, here 10 minutes, right? So long. Okay. You come back. It's just the method. It's TikTok quoting. Okay, move here on the track. It's correct. And next, if you change something, getting time so wrong, and I go to here when okay, when it's contain the forklift, right? After the move to improve and create a forklift, right? So forklift contain the forklift on contain the container on the forklift and waiting 5 seconds enough. Okay, 5 seconds enough. And it same thing when you press the container on the truck, wait 5 seconds enough, right? Okay, this apply and this time acceleration and the waiting uniform 10 minutes, right? If you come in the truck one and another 10 minutes, okay, another truck is coming to the same. The setting and to keep even, right? Because and shorter the time, right? Shorter simulation, the time to small, right? Otherwise, you waiting 10 minutes, right? It's so long. Okay, skip a long event, equal, right? Click apply. Okay, click okay. Running, run. Oh, sorry. Right, skip interval, right? Skip event interval. Okay, skip interval, right? You uh, okay, you never the waiting is the wrong time, 10 minutes, to 20 minutes, right? And it's shorter the time for waiting. Uh, okay, it's done. Okay, if I would write the forklift to run to be running 5 seconds. Uh, I have set up how to fill in the TikTok coding tool here, right? 5 5 seconds, right? Okay, I need to change, right? Change here. Okay, move this command. Uh, oh, okay, this command, and I use for loop, right? For loop. The variable x, right? Maybe 5, right? And down to down to down to 1, down to 1. Okay, and this time, okay, make make the indentation rating for where it. Okay, the end would be set up, write the code next, and that's it. That's it. Okay, I'm done. Okay, 5 loop, right? 5 cycle, 5 cycle. Press 5 cycle and move to M2 and turn back to M1 and loading to the truck, right? Loading the container to the truck, and 5 loop, right? Running. Okay, which I prove that. Come here. Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay, apply. Good. And apply and okay, running again. Okay, 5 loop done. Right? 5 loop done. Here, 1, 2, right? 3, 4, 5. And come back. You saw the simulation last time. Did you notice and observe something? Okay, rewind again. You see forklift. Okay, upload to the truck, the container. And number 3 is gone. Right? The 4, 5 is gone. And you never seen the container or the truck, right? Okay, this the problem, right? Is some issue on this simulation. What happened? How to solve the problem? You see again, right? And number three is gone. Number four, number five is gone, right? Okay, come back. You saw that everything you found about the problem. I come back to see. I come back to see the truck. To see the truck, and this. That the reason that the problem is come from the simulation and animation, into animation. You're going to this tab, right? This tab and this tab. As you see here, you see here. Let me show you here. This position, right? You saw the position in the last simulation, right? Okay, this position is no problem. Okay, close and show up, and this position generate a problem. Generate a problem because the position stay under the cloud of the trap, right? The cloud of the trap. It's a little problem. That means why why you never seen, right? You never seen this position, and when the forklift upload to the truck, right? And this position is gone, it disappear. You never seen this, right? Because this position because it's stay the under the surface of the truck, right? It's okay. You need to edit, right? You click edit, and this show you about 1.4845, right? Okay, in the rover, you need to let up the C position, the C axis, right? It's add up the more the value. For me, I think 1.8 is better. It's good enough. Click OK and apply. Okay, you see the end of the arrow is stay on the top, right? Okay, enough for this position. Okay. Next, of course, next is two. This position that did a problem, right? Why the simulation, the last simulation, in this position, it disappear on last simulation, right? Because the number three is gone, number four is the stack on this, right? Number three is gone because the position stay under the cloud of the truck, right? Okay, it did. Eight, 1.8. Click OK. Okay, apply again. We go this up, this up. This one stay under the truck surface. Okay, double click and apply. Uh, okay, click OK. This position, and we want is stay under the truck surface, the truck down. Click and click OK. Apply. Click OK again. Okay, hi. So another point. This point again. Uh, Need to revise and modify. Modify is the z-axis and the value. Click OK. Click and this one define the new value to there. Click OK and apply. OK again. Hi. Show. Okay, this position. Edit. Go to 1.8. 1.8. Click OK. Okay, last point. Last point. We do. Okay. No. Yes. Edit. Point 1.8. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Right. Okay. New setting. The elevation point. Elevation point. I'm done. Right now I close it and refigure again. Here you see one, two, three. Okay, you saw it. You saw it. Number three, number four, completed. Five. Okay, turn it back and go out of the zen. Okay, 10 minutes. You come here again. Okay, finish. And if you set up about the capacity, as well as you will set up in the tab load pay. And right now is two set number two, two layer. It's two layer on the track, right? Three x-axis, y two axis. On of this, it can be containing 12, 12 is a container on the track, right? On the track, 12. If I reduce to one, okay, it's just one layer enough for to carry the product, carry the container, the container, and then stay. The maximum is 12. It's two layer of the C, and it's a one layer become to six, right? The maximum, and you are gonna set up the trap. It can be holding, can be the contain the number of the container, right? Six, maximum six right now because I set up 6 and the load beta, right? I click OK. Something like that. I'll show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's correct, right? It's correct. It's a maximum 6, right? But uh, see, it's a maximum is 6, and right now I define and the number of the cycle of forklift, right? I limited at 5 cycle. Where I just define the limitation at the method, right? At the method, right? Okay, I just double click on there. Okay, I just change to the 6. We will define the number of the container. It's the number of container, right? And right now, if you combine, you're going to set up the number of the cycle of the number of cycle of forklift which is running 5 times, right? 5 times, 5 round, 6 round, right? And right now, it's going to change to 6 round. If you set up the maximum right here, maximum two layer, right? And this time 3. We come to 18, right? Capacity right now it can be contain 18 container, right? 18 container is the maximum, right? Okay, click OK, and you need to limit limitation of the number of the cycle, for the forklift, right? Okay, I just uh, define 12, right? 12, apply, 12, click on here. Okay, let me set up the speed. The father, 12, right? Here, right. That's it. If I change the track, the capacity is change 3, sorry, 3, apply, uh, 27. The maximum of the capacity of the track, right? 27. And you define how many loop, how many cycle of the forklift running. You can modify over here. And this one I define 24, and click apply and click order and simulating simulation again, three layer, three layer, and waiting about the truck come here or not. Come here, not yet. It's completed. Okay, focusing on the 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, okay. Number is Y. So it's X 3 3 3 Y. Again, from here again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cannot, right? Because it cannot The X4 is cannot, right? A number of this is not enough. The space not enough for the container based on the track. Uh, okay, let me road bay. And number four, it's four. And the three, uh, why number three cannot? Why three we cannot? Because the space not enough on the track. The track space area is enough for Y2. And three cannot. Y3 cannot. That's why 24. Okay. Right. Again. Okay, four layer is can be whole, can be contain the all of the container. 24 the container. Okay, just enough the area, the track surface, the ground surface of the track, enough for y to two each column. Y that's two column. And the row is a X row limited at 3 and Y limited at 2 and uh, C I think it's over the height of the truck which can be used it's over it's just the how many block how many container they can be contained on the truck how many contain and until the new truck is come here is come in the road and the position sensor number one and how many how many containers stay on the truck right before the new truck is come in here right you need to so they analyze the number of the containers can be stay on the truck it's a one truck. Okay, I just adjust the track the track capacity. I use it five. It's x six. Okay, 6. Okay, click OK. Again, let me click on here. Speed. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think it's on more quickly. With 10, oh, 5, 5 and 10. Yeah, apply. Okay, okay, then come here. Okay, and have the gap time, have a gap time integrating the new time is come here. Right? Okay, you just define the load day as 8. Try time come here. Okay, the time 3 minutes. Short 3 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. It's not finished. In the first track is not finished, and the second track is come here, right? It's not good, right? Okay, you find out analysis and how many track, how many container, should be should be good. Should be good for the first track, and before the second track is come here and waiting, and the track is finished, right? And the second track is come in and the sensor position again. Okay, you find out the solution is best. And right now, I just change here. Okay, we come back. I change it. Right? I change to 3 and 5 minutes, right? I take a wrong, it's wrong the time. Wrong the time, maybe 4, maybe 5, right? You try on the error. You try on the number, right? It's okay. And this time you're going to create this AGV control center, right? If it's maybe I use it way, the two position is better. If I adjust the two position on this position, the first position for uh, loading, it's loading the container and the container on the truck. And another point, maybe the exit the container, say on the truck, and say on the truck, and is the second position for unload, right? Unload the container from the truck to keep the product at the number three, right? Number three, right? Maybe okay, the first time unload and upload, right? Unload and download to the target, right? Okay, and separate the AGV pool. AGV pool for unload, right? Hey, sorry, for upload. We upload the container on the truck. And another position, another I need to separate each other, and the control, individual control by the AGV pool. AGV pool number two is control unload to the new position target. Right? Okay, how I can do this? Okay, I just reset and add up one more AGV pool, this one, one more AGV pool, position number three, right? Number three, this is number four, number four, and maybe this. Okay, double click on there. It's M3, this is M4, M4. We set up the name, right? Ordering the number 1, 2, 3, 4, because it makes sense. Easy to remember is the target position. Okay, AGV pool number one, AGV pool number zero, another position. If this is the position, Can zoom in the position. This is sensor number one. Sensor number one. Sensor number one. Just use different. Right. Over here. The first position. First position. Six. Six position. No. Different is good. Different is good. Okay. And this one. The another sensor. Um, B. B 18. 18. Okay. The position. So yeah. Okay. This is a unlock position. AGVpool and double click on here. You just edit some line. Insert some line in the method, right? Insert a new command into here. Yes on. I need to simulation. Separate each other. AGV pool number one and AGV pool number zero. Uh, okay, and I need to adjust it. Going to window and type vertical. Okay, you can see the 3D image simulation and the method coding at the same time. It's good. This clear. Click right button and clear. Before I separate AGV pool and use individual forklift, one forklift per one AGV pool. Before that situation, I will bring you to the easier than that situation first. Okay, because you can compare two case. Use this AGV pool uh, and unload the container on the truck to another position. Assume I use the position is the position number four, right? Take the one truck, go in here, the sensor number one, sensor number one, sensor number one, and here, and click in here and stop AGV pull, take the unload from the truck and keep in to the position M4. Is a 5 cycle, and uh, take take the container and fill into the truck and upload to the truck, right? Upload to the truck and make in the 5 cycle, right? Two direction, right? To the job, it's special the job, and another special the job. One job is going to download to the info from the track. You download the container to the info position from the track. And another job, the special job is the take the forklift. Take the forklift, take the container from the position number number two, position number two, take the container from the position number two and download and upload to the chart, right? Okay, if crash, okay, take the container from the top, which contained in the M4 and the forklift, it's moved to M2 and okay, it's unload, it's load the container and upload to the top, to job, to job is the one AGV pool. Okay, let's get started. How to do that? I will copy the position. It's copy here. Mm, okay, this is the really easy. From here, just dump, the all container. And container is pallet, right? Pallet. Dump all pallet to M4, M4, M4. Here, here, this M4 from truck. Okay, this loading, on the container or pallet, pallet from M2, right? From the M2, move to the truck. Okay. Uh, okay, this one. From this to M4 position, right? Now, uh, this okay, sensor. The sensor. Okay, double click on here. Double click and control the sensor. Uh, okay, I didn't define the method. I keep it because I created for the next problem. And this problem I select on the AGV pool, just only one AGV pool and control all of that using about one AGV pool. Right? What happened? And another case, next problem, I define two sensor, right? And right now, I didn't define the method over here, right? I will use the method for the sensor number one. That's it. I click OK. Click OK. I use it. I think it's well enough. The well part from M1. Okay, click M1. Okay, it's a download and the dump all the palette and then from the track to the M4. I did the track M1, this is M1, this is M1. Okay, waiting. Key the container, the forklift at the M1, and I set the route. There's a route to M M4, 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 and move. Right now, I think I can delete it. you can delete it because it right, right. I assume this is position for keeping in the store, right? In the store that I will assume this position disappear the container or this position. Disappear. I use it, delete it, delete it. I use a command delete it. It's gone. The container is gone. In this position info. Uh, and this okay. I, I cut it. I go down here. Stop. Okay. This command for the control the track is running. Then it's running, right? Just start up running out of the sensor position again. It's running. The track is diving out of the position. Sensor number one, and this one is stop, right? Through the sensor and stop. Okay, and this number two job of the AGV pool. Number two job. I use M2, right? M2 I create the container to the forklift, and the M1 move the forklift move. Okay, move through the truck, and the truck is the assigned. One protection to 12. 12. If you change 1 to 12, it can be used. The same thing, you get the same thing to 12. Same thing. Okay, this trade up, right? This one is a down up, down to 1. Okay, decrease the number 1 to 1. The number decrease 1 to 1. Reduce from the 12. Uh, reduce and increase from the 1 to 12, right? This is increase up. Okay, and then there's to the for loop to the loop command is the same thing. You keep up and decrease, and increase the decrease. The same thing with the result. You get the result same. Okay, try running simulation. And apply, apply, and this. Okay, running. Okay, stop it here. Okay. And I need to delete it. First, I click on the control, the sensor. Yeah. Oh, okay, 7 doing is there. There was the method, right? Okay, and this one I missed the sensor name. Oh, okay. I changed it. Change it. Okay, this one I changed to 6. I keep it, and I didn't define the method. It's a control everything at the sensor number 2. Right? I didn't control anything and the sensor number 2. I will control this the sensor 18, the position. Okay, there's a position. Okay, uh, it's faster. The soil is runs. The truck is come in here after the one truck. The first truck is come here and not finish the job, right? And unload and upload, right? Okay, it, it done finish. Second truck is come here already. I need to adjust. I need to adjust the song. Okay, it should be supply the truck. It's longer than this because this one I need to change uh, 10. Okay, 10. So well, 20. Okay, that's it. Try again. The job and the AGV pool number one and AGV pool number zero, and the two job in the same AGV pool. It can be used for 10, and it can be enough the time gap. Uh, the time gap at the first track and second track. It's not waiting anymore for the second track. Try. It can be used or not. Now you see the waiting time. Okay, the waiting a second track. Yeah, waiting. Okay, the time is longer because the waiting time is so much, too much. Now if 12 container, this is 10 to 20. I think it's longer. Uh, the size can be supplying the truck. It's faster than 10 to 20. Okay, it's waiting time. Okay, this the idea, right? The two job in the same AGV pool. The two job. Job number one, okay, to upload to the info. Job number two, upload from the M. Uh, sorry, download from the tab to info and upload from M2 to the truck. It's just two job in the same AGV pool. Now let me adjust my speed on screen. And height of the screen and window. I will go again. Okay, I need to repair. You see about this over here, right hand below. It show you how long it's done. Okay, right now it's done. 16, right? 15 minutes. Okay, 16 minutes, right? Finish. Okay, finish and waiting. The second task is come here again. If you add more container on the truck, maybe a second truck waiting, and come here and waiting the first truck finish and done, and go out, and the second is come here sensor number one again. The waiting time is happen if you add the more pallet, say on the contract, the truck, right? Because forklift it's a more cycle to download and upload the part and the pallet on the truck, right? Okay, If you separate the AGV pool, okay, it's another case, another case, another case. Uh, if you need to separate each other about AGV pool and one AGV pool, use one forklift, uh, and separate the position target, separate the AGV pool, separate its forklift. Okay, let me just copy here, duplicate the other case problem. Okay, close, double click. I need to change, name to uh, separate AGV pool, separate it, apply, double click, double click, uh, on window, type vertical. Okay, I need to come back the AGV pool, sorry, close it, close it. Yeah, the previous one, I need to delete it because duplicated model. I will show you separate the HV pool and target. Right? I keep the another problem, say inside of the separated HV separated and previous. I need to clean up just HV pools, only one HV pool, and use two job running on this case, this problem. Okay, right now I delete it. I delete it. I delete it. Separate the model. Uh, Easy to. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. This one is M4. 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 The sensor. Double click on here. Control. Uh, okay. And this one delete. And that's it. Apply. Yeah. Okay. It is save. Okay. Separate window. Double click on here. Control A. A mean this is control A, control lane A. Is lane B because this track is the two lane road, right? The two-lane road. The object two lane that means it this is a command show you as control A, lane A and lane B. Going to lane A, we'll click on the sensor and this one click the select object on the same method. Click OK and apply. Click OK. Okay, apply. Click OK. Okay, you fill in the more code to this of the condition. if sensor enter AGV equal 1 sensor, then if if sensor ID equal 2, then and also at the end of the command use it in finish this code and look out about the location, the target location in right now it add up M3 M4 M3 M4 and the forklift become two forklift right. I change to forklift number 1, forklift number 2, and number 2. Okay, this one is forklift number 1. The sensor number 1 take from M3 download uh, because it's the dump or the container exists on the truck. They come from the source, the supply, the truck, and the container fill in behind of the truck. And say the sensor number 1 is stop and take the forklift to the position M3, sorry, M3, and download the container and the pallet from the truck, and one by one until it's empty, and two becomes empty. And one by one is come from the truck to the M4. M4 is the drum, or the drum is the pallet to the M4 position target. Finish. For M3 M4. Let's create the forklift, right? And okay, you get the pallet or the container from the or from the truck, and keep the pallet to M4. Delete it. Okay, finish. Right, it's correct. And then sensor number 2, if the truck stop on the sensor number 2, and sensor number 2 going to the forklift is you're gonna go M2, sorry, M2, correct, M2, and get the container or the pallet to the truck, the position M1, and move the container or the pallet to the truck. Finish. Okay, it's correct. Yeah, correct. Okay, check again. This one M3, this one M4, this one M2. This one the target M1. Okay, I get it. Next, wait. Uh, Forklift number two, forklift number two, forklift number two. Forklift number one here because I changed the name become to forklift number one. It's forklift number one. Forklift number one. Forklift number one. Okay. Forklift number two. Forklift number two. Forklift number two. Yeah, there's a two. Okay, finish. One, one, one. Forklift number one. Okay, finish. Apply. Oh, still the error. It's a 10 comma. Okay. Syntax error yes. Sure. Show number 30. 30. Yeah. It's from the error. You see the command. This one. This here it is. Here is this error from the command. The if must is connect each other. And if connect each other. I think that is apply. Okay, finish. Okay. Zoom in. Zoom out. Okay, come back. Okay, it's miss location of the sensor. Uh, okay, check it again. This one is double click on there. It's control. Sensor number one. Sensor number one. Sensor number two here. Okay, sensor number two. Sensor number two, sensor number one, a chain. Okay, a chain. Okay. This one should be uh, 18, sensor number one. Sensor number two, right? Sensor number one should be 6. Okay, 5. Okay, okay, finish. Okay, it's longer time. And then the side is supply the truck in the process. I think the side is very wrong. It's a wrong time, right? Okay, just 5 minutes. Enough. 5 minutes. Okay, finish. Okay. Oh, oh, it's wrong there. Repeat again. I think 3 minutes. It's 5. Uh, 8. You must give first and second, right? And the continuous move first, sensor one, and track stay at the one, and move to sensor number two, sensor number one, and sensor number two, waiting the second on here, and come here at the sensor number two, and the track, the form the sensor number two, move to the sensor number one, right? And continue out, two to one, and one is out of the process, right? And it come in here, second, to one, sensor number one, go on, and right, the flow smoothly, and that you need to set up the time, set up number of the container stay on the truck, and how many truck, how many container should be moving to the truck, right? How many the pallet and the truck is can be holding, and smooth the time and smooth the flow of this process. You're concerned about that. You need to set up the time. You need to set up the number of the pallet, and how many cycle of the forklift as you're running on the process, right? And the number of the cycle depend on the number of the pallet and stay on the truck, right? Okay, you need to concern about that, and calculate that, and set up a high performance efficiency is full, right? You need to do that. And try set up 24 or 24. And 24, 24. Then apply. Yeah. On last simulation, I noticed something wrong in the simulation in last time. Okay, you see. Okay, this one and this one. And just it's one forklift, right? Never have another forklift, and is going to upload the container to the truck, right? Just only download from the truck. That's it. Right? It's just only one. Right? Okay, it have. I think it have something wrong in the process in the my code, the syntax coding. I made a mistake some part. Right? Okay, you see AGVpool for the forklift number one and this uh, okay AGVpool one right here, and this for the forklift number two uh, AGVpool AGVpool right. Okay, correct. Okay, see again. Okay, forklift number two AGVpool is another one. Okay, forklift number two. Okay, that part here. Okay, right. It's good. It's correct. That's it. Okay, finish. Uh, if I use it's a 24 cycle. 24 cycle mean 24 pallet stay on the truck. Uh, and okay, download from the truck and upload from the point from the forklift. The 24 pallets. It's come back here. Double click on the glass. Okay, previous one. Previous one. Double click on the sort. Sort three, two, eight. Apply. Okay, this one. 328. 328, right? And 24. 24. 74. I need to use display. Display. I need to know about how many tracks can be used for this process under the parameter, the track number of the track, and one track. It can be contain 24 pallet on the top, right? 24 pallet on the one track, and how many track, and this process is done and use the track in this process. Okay, I will set up the end time to 8 hour, something like this. 8 hour. Keep okay. And this one. Let's go. Compare this other. 85. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, I end time 8 hours. Apply. Okay. Oh, 86. 86. Um, okay, you see. 86, 85, and very close. Uh, okay, two is comparison. Right, equally. Right, and this the new problem. Separate the AGV pool. You take a cost more because you need to uh, pay to buy another forklift, right? It's a lot of the cost you need to pay, right? And we add up one more truck. It's just only one. But and another parameter uh is not effective, right? Because and overlap time and the first track and second track is have a lot have a gap of the time because you still hit up is not good because the forklift is waiting the truck is come in, right? It will have a gap waiting time and you need to set up a effectiveness of the time, maybe a number of the truck at the output, uh, maybe probably more number of the truck. I think you need to just okay, come back, reset, put slow. Okay, you see. Okay, it's waiting the second truck. You're waiting the first one. Should be done. Waiting a long time. It's not good if because it's a bottleneck. It's really because it's the truck is waiting. It's the wrong time. When the first track is finished, not good. But it's continue in first one finish. The second track is to continue as loading and unloading and uploading. It's a continue at the time and it's not waiting about the flow, the forklift. Uh, it's not waste time for the forklift. Uh, if second problem, okay, it will close. Oh, very fast. Okay, come back in. Okay, waiting. Little bit. Waiting. a bit time. Okay, I need to set up the sort little bit. Because this one 2.5, not 2, 5. Okay, okay, test. Ah, okay. Finish. The first finish. Continue. It's smoothie, right? Smoothie already, right? Smoothie already. And the first part is gone. And second part is after to stay on the first sensor. Right? Okay, right now it's smoother than previous. Okay, again back. This one, the waiting time a lot. Because the waiting time, the truck is waiting. The first truck finish, and the second truck is waiting time a lot. And you need to adjust uh, the sort interval time to launch and supply the truck into the process. And you need to delay it further. Double click on the sort, delay further. And you need to use 5, right? Right, because it's not that it's not keep waiting about the truck, waiting the previous truck is done first. Otherwise, if you didn't set up this time, the interval time the waiting supply the truck in the process, then you didn't set up efficient set up the effectiveness and the performance, the high performance, right? And good setting about the parameter and in the road of the truck. The truck load is full and traffic is very busy because it's waiting the previous truck finish first and the second truck is come after instead and the first pass. Otherwise, the road is full and busy traffic a lot. You need to adjust with the longer time. I think 5 to 8, right? 6, 6 is better. Or maybe 10, 10. 15. Wow. Okay, high speed. Okay, the time not enough, right? You should set up. It's longer a bit time. Close. Set up the time. We come to 12 here. Okay, the time shorter. The second track, the waiting the first track done. Okay, enough. Every time. Uh, we just it 14. This one is 18. 30. Okay, just interval 15. Okay, you deform the interval time to supply the track in the process, right? I have the gap interval range. The time is 3 minutes. Okay, okay. Oh, oh, sorry. Yeah. Oh, cannot. But to running at the same time, it cannot. Yeah. That's it. Just the previous one. Okay, one by one. Finish. I got it. 32 is hour. Right, 32. Yes. I think 36. Oh my god. Okay, it's a high performance than the previous, right? I need to check it out. I need to check. Um, this one, the code, 24, 24, same. 24, and this one, 34 pilot. Okay, same thing. 34 pilot. Right. Okay, correct. Correct. Uh, okay, set it up. How long? Set up 8 hours. Same. And this 8 hours same. Or how different? Or different is 32. And this one 136. Right? Uh, okay, you got the result. Use this use two forklift is a high efficiency than is more efficiency than the previous. Use the AGV pool, only one AGV pool, and this one use uh, two AGV pool. The high is more high performance than this, than its previous. Okay, and but you need to pay the other forklift. Maybe it's a higher cost than the previous one, and the problem number one. But I think it's worth it. Worth it because it's the number of the truck is more than 100 truck, because it's a higher is productivity. I think it's good enough for invest the other the forklift. Okay, maybe the reason why you need to use the pan simulation to simulate the process, and you measure the performance, compare each other, another with the another process. You maybe you trial and analyze, compare each other. Good enough for this one. You select that, right? To improve your process. Do the pan simulation the high performance tool for analyze the high performance, high efficiency your process. Right? Okay. This video I think enough, right? And something if you need to keep and you keep a default the palette inside inside of the truck behind the transit. Fill in the axis, the palette inside 24, right? Add the default, add the init time, right? How to do that? Because 24 pilots to stay on the track and come in here, sensor number one, and makes it the forklift is and a download, right? A download from a download and move to the storage, right? And so the M4, right? And right now they will have the default at the initial 24 pilot stay behind of the track, right? And if you if you can do this, you can show and uh, add up something right, the real situation, right? You need to add up the default pilot inside of the truck. Right? Maybe you use another method in it, something. Okay, you try to do it by yourself, right? Okay, this video I think I should leave out this video enough for now. Okay, bye bye.